Post-harvest residue management is labor-intensive activity for all farmers. Collecting hay is effort and time-consuming activity and many a times considered as non-productive. Many a times this ends with burning of hay in the field, creating shortcut for farmers but pollution for environment. However, with Akshaa round baler, this post-harvesting activity can be turned into opportunity to earn and keep our environment clean. Akshaa round baler is designed for residue management of multiple crops like paddy, sugarcane and maize. It is equipped with heavy-duty sprockets and chains to sustain the heavy and sudden hay flow. It creates compact bales that are easy to handle, transport and store. Farmers may adjust bale sizes as per their needs. It has electrical bale ejector and bale counter to keep the track while working in the large fields. Bigger tire size of this Akshaa baler gives a good ground clearance so it can work seamlessly in varied field conditions. Side opening panels with hydraulic studs make it easy and quick to maintain. Strong gearbox of this machine makes it long-lasting. Akshaa round baler is definitely a turnaround for farmers in terms of post-harvesting residue management solution.